Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Really, that's like 90% of you guys, but that's okay. If you did not, please don't forget to subscribe. I promise I'm gonna be on my shit and I'm gonna upload. I promise I'm gonna upload. So if you subscribe, you have my promise. I will upload videos for you for hair, beauty, and DIY. So get on it, please. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell. I do want you to be notified every time I upload a video. And then you guys won't hate me and be like, oh, you didn't upload. I'm like, nah, you just ain't see it, sis. Okay, I'm only laughing because, man, like my last video was a month ago. I still love you guys. I love you guys. I'm sorry. I've been going through some phases with my hair shedding. And of course, we all know about the rice water and how it's a miracle. And I feel like it works for some people and it doesn't work for others. I'm in a cycle where I'm like, I just want it to grow. But I got my rice. Does the brand matter? I got Nature's Promise Organic. I felt like it was, because it was organic, I was like, bruh, this is about to be bomb. But then I was like, I don't really know, because this is like the no name brand kind, if that even makes sense. I got long grain white rice because I was looking for jasmine rice, and of course they were all sold out because I feel like everybody in the store just wanted to eat jasmine rice when I wanted to make my video. Hopefully this rice works out. So let's get into the facts about using, I was about to say jasmine rice. Let's get into the facts. First of all, can we just get into how I don't even have a shirt to measure my hair? Like, who does that? I need to figure out what shirt I'm about to find in my closet, because guess what I'm not gonna do is buy a shirt. So the basic facts state, of course, we know it makes your hair grow longer, stronger. It's supposed to increase the shine, make it smoother, and also detangle through your hair very easily, which I did see that in a couple videos. My hair gets really tangled, so I'm like, we'll see. I just saw it says that you're actually not supposed to use it every day. It's preferred to use it once a week. You know what? I don't even want to get into the like mumbo jumbo of it. I kind of just want to try it. So I know you guys have probably seen 1,000,001 videos on how to make rice water, but I'll just show you again since I am recording. You just mix 1 cup of rice into a bowl and you put water in it and kind of rinse off your rice. And then you're gonna want to dump that water. That's the nasty water. So you dump that out and you put the new rice in a jar, and then you add water to fill it up. And that's what you let sit for 24 hours or for longer if you'd like. Hi guys, I'm back. It's day 2. I actually have some really good news. 1, I found a shirt. First of all, why are all of my shirts, like the lines are going vertical instead of horizontal? So it took me forever, but I did not have to go to Walmart, like I said. So this is the shirt that I'm gonna use, which I know it looks a little kind of like hard to tell, but honestly, we're gonna make this work. Like, you can clearly see where my hair would reach, if it even reaches down here, because I don't know, I'm a little bit bald headed. But I'm also kind of scared because this thing is like, I don't know, it's foggy. Like, I see some stuff in there, and I don't know, people just didn't explain this much. Like, they were just like, oh, I have my rice water. So I'm really nervous. I'm stupid nervous about the smell. Like, gosh, a lot of people were like, oh, it's not that bad, but so many mixed reviews. Like, some people were like, it's horrible, some people almost threw up, some people were like, oh, it's great. I don't know what I'm gonna be, because my nose is very, I don't know. So you know what, let's crack it open. Let's just see. Oh God, please be with me, because if this does not smell right, Y'all see me? I'm scared. I'm scared. What? Y'all. This is why I like doing stuff on my own, because these people be lying, okay? This smells like rice. Literally smells like boiled water that had rice in it, which is a good thing, because that means now I can add it to my hair without any problems. So without further ado, I am going to put on my shirt and measure my hair, and we will go from there. So I'm not even gonna go into how I look like a dude, but I put my shirt on. I buttoned it all the way up because honestly I felt like the lines were the straightest when it was like choking me. So I was like, I want something really accurate, because as you all know, this is my first time doing this rice water challenge, and I really want to see what the miracle is about, if there is a miracle at all. Before I put my towel on and start spraying the whole damn place up, let's go ahead and measure my hair. I have it up right now. Super dirty, super dry. Don't judge me, like it's dry, okay? It's wash day, and I guess I'm gonna take a piece from the back. Woo, y'all, you hear them naps? Sheesh. My hair is so nappy. Like, who raised me? Okay. Wow. I have a piece, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Okay. I mean, look at this. It says it was supposed to help with that, so we'll see. Okay. Okay. Okay, hair. Hold on. Because I ain't going to be one of them girls that stretch it all the way down now. I'm just playing. I'm going to stretch it all the way down. So, let me get closer. Okay. What's this? 1, 2, 3. Box number 3. It's not all the way, but it's there. Box number 3. Okay. Y'all saw the flip? Okay. Box number 3. So I started off by sectioning my hair. I put 2 little buns in the front and 1 bun on the side. And I started to spray this section with the rice water. However, that section was a little bit too thick and my camera will not focus. There we go. It was a little too thick, so I had to separate it again because it was really nappy, you guys. I'm telling you, my hair gets so knotted. So once I was able to spray it and drench it, I would just run my fingers through it and pulled apart any knots, made sure I got it nice and hydrated, and kind of finger detangled it. And this is about how much breakage I got for that little section, but trust me, there will be more. The slip was pretty good. Once I got it finger detangled, it seemed to work really well. After finger detangling this section, I did go into the shower and dump the rest of the rice water on each section of my head, and I let it sit. Well, I must say that was very eventful. So let it sit, I think, for like 10 minutes, maybe 15. I don't know. I didn't let it sit too long because it was just dripping everywhere and I really needed to wash my hair. So I was like, Overall, was pretty good. I mean, my shedding, of course, this is the first day, so I don't really know if my shedding has improved yet. Stay tuned for next week. But this is how much shedding I had. And to me, I feel like it's a lot. I mean, this is normal because this is what I usually always get, and I balled it up too. Sorry. But I feel like it should be less than that. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. Like, should my shedding be less than this? Because this looks tragic. I mean, I balled this up, you guys. So just imagine how much it was. I tried for the second time Head and Shoulders new line, the Royal Oils Moisture Boost shampoo and conditioner. And I don't know, Head and Shoulders is known for like, oh, getting rid of dandruff and stuff. But honestly, I always felt like every time I used Head and Shoulders, it made dandruff on me, if that makes sense. Like I developed more dandruff when I used the Head and Shoulders. So I don't know. The first time I tried it, I really liked the slip, but after like a day, I had like massive amounts of dandruff, and I'm like, this is unusual. And for the first time, I tried the Head and Shoulders Deep Conditioner. It's the Deep Moisture Mask with coconut oil. I just had like a little sample of it. My friend gave it to me. And I actually really, really like this. I think I'm gonna go and buy the bigger bottle. But this time, since it's my second time trying this shampoo, we'll see if I wanna continue with that. Stay tuned for next week. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I'm gonna be bringing a lot of new content to you guys. So I really highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. I'm gonna be uploading a weekly series on this rice water to see how my hair has grown using the same shirt that I wore in this video today. So next week, before I wash my hair, I'll measure if my hair has grown. And everyone else in all the videos that I've watched have dramatically grown within the first day, let alone week. So I'm really excited to see how that turns out. And I hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll go ahead and catch you guys next week in the next one.